Hello, everybody. We're here with NTI Day 1, Problem Solving on the Coordinate Plane. If you have your document on your computer or if you have it on paper, it's going to be helpful for you if you will get this document out and kind of follow along as we go. This is the assignment for today for NTI Day 2. Okay, problem solving on the coordinate plane. You may be working from a computer that does not have the purple puzzle piece, but if you do have it, please remember that you can go up here at any time and click this purple puzzle piece and just highlight and read, and it should read for you. I don't think it's going to let me do that right now because I'm in screen recorder. But let's go ahead and look at these. Whoops. Okay. So basically, to find distance on the coordinate plane, you count the spaces between the 2 points. Okay. To reflect a point, the point ends up in the same place on the other side of the axis. And you can see the examples here. In this assignment, we don't worry too much about reflection. Okay. The first question asks us for perimeter. So I'm just going to kind of get my writer up here. Remember, if you have a word problem at least town, middle, you need to box a problem. So, just a second, let me get my pointer back. Let's see if I can do this. Yes, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and, ooh, that's big. Let me try that again. Okay, you can highlight whatever, but it says find the perimeter distance around the flower bed. Remember to count the spaces all the way around the outside. Okay, in this picture on your right here, this is an example of what a flower bed is. It's like a built-up box that keeps plants or a garden or flowers or whatever. So the perimeter is very simple to find. All you want to do is you want to count the space on the outside of this figure. So we're going to count all the way around. You can see that my marker is drawing it in blue. Okay, all the way around. Oops, it kind of got a little bit wavy there, but you get the point. Now, for perimeter, we are not worried about this space in the middle. We're not worried about any of that space in the middle. We're only worried about the space on the outside. Okay, let me hide that little magnifying thing. We'll start. Okay, so I'm going to erase what I drew so we can actually see it to count because it's a little hard to see with that blue mark there. Okay. And so what you're going to do is you're going to count the spaces. You're going to see it pop up as I click it. So there's 1, 2, 3. So this first line has 3. If you can keep count, you're not going to get messed up. You can go ahead and count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this line has 12. So far we've counted this and this. 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the distance around this flower bed is 24. Okay, so there's your answer right there. So that is the example. Okay, and then your last question talks about a sandbox, a rectangular sandbox. They have drawn the rectangular sandbox right here. Okay, and this picture down at the bottom is a picture of what a sandbox looks like. You've probably seen one at the park, or you might have one in your backyard if you have a little brother or sister. Okay, so the first question says, what will be the perimeter of the rectangular sandbox? You're going to count the spaces around just like we did in the example I did right before. So if right now you need to pause and rewind and watch that example again, you can do that. Okay. And then B says on the coordinate plane above, right here, draw a square sandbox with the same perimeter as the regular sandbox. So your square sandbox, when you draw it, is going to have the same perimeter. And like, for example, so say here's my square sandbox, which is not very good, but you get the point. A square, all the sides are going to have to be the same. So if this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, etc. And you would have to have the same perimeter as over here. So just keep that in mind as you work through it. B is kind of like a brain twister, so just do your best, see what you can come up with, and that will be fine. If you need any help or you're unsure about what to do, please reach out to one of your math teachers, or you can drop a comment in here. All of us have the office hours, so you're definitely free to look on your paper and see how you can get into contact with any of us. And thanks. Have a great day.